A former Palmetto State Bank executive and alleged accomplice of Alec Murdaugh in federal court this morning, arguing bond conditions he received back in July were too high. Russell Laffitte, accused of several state and federal charges and helping Alec Murdaugh steal more than $2 million. News 2's Riley Benson in federal court in downtown Charleston and joins us in studio. And Riley, Laffitte was able to get some of his bond conditions dropped today.
Yeah, Brendan, Laffitte will no longer be on house arrest and can travel freely between Allendale and Hampton counties. A large reason for that is to farm the family property. Now, Laffitte will be required to wear electronic monitoring devices. A surprise today, Laffitte spent more than 2 hours on the stand speaking to his character and the crimes he's accused of.
How could you just simply take the word of anyone, even if he's your attorney, to do X, Y, and Z? You would have to independently look into what you are doing.
Russell Laffitte saying the Murdaugh media firestorm led to the high bond and negative impacts on his life, who testified that his relationship with Murdaugh was strictly professional and he has viewed Murdaugh only as his attorney, a claim some find hard to believe.
Alec Murdaugh served as a permission slip for Mr. Laffitte to engage in whatever behavior he wanted to. I don't think constitutes a valid defense, certainly not to the claims that we've brought.
Laffitte says the 14 loans he made to Murdaugh, 8 to himself, were at the direction of Murdaugh. Laffitte says he was unaware of any scheme to misappropriate funds at the time. Attorney Ronnie Richter says the evidence paints a different story.
The advice of counsel is a valid defense to many different claims, but it's always conditioned upon that reliance of counsel being reasonable.
Much of the evidence based upon checks and documents collected from Palmetto State Bank, showing Laffitte moving money to and from accounts for Alec Murdaugh as late as October of last year, even after Murdaugh had been arrested. Former State Attorney General Charlie Condon says most cases like Laffitte's end with plea deals, but this one may be headed to court.
I think this ultimately will come down to the evidence the government can produce at trial to counter this, and I think this is going to end up being a jury question relative to criminal intent and fraudulent intent.
If it does go to trial, Condon believes it could be before Alec Murdaugh faces a jury for the deaths of his wife and son, Maggie and Paul Murdaugh.
He wants a trial very quickly, and so I think the likelihood of that trial happening before the double homicide trial, I think, is high.
Now, Laffitte's attorneys say they plan to request a trial this month. Alec Murdaugh's attorneys are aiming for a January date for the murder trials. Laffitte's attorneys have also asked for the state to reduce its bond conditions for Laffitte. Live in studio, Riley Benson, Count on 2.